Welcome to Hyundai 112, your elite Hyundai dealership. Our goal is to become the #1 volume Hyundai used car dealer in New York. Take advantage of our need to be #1 and buy a quality pre-owned car from Hyundai 112 for less than anywhere else. Get a low price today on this. We are so sure you will love our internet sales process and this quality pre-owned car. Email or call us today.
Like this 2008 Hyundai Sonata equipped with cloth interior, CD player, power windows, heated mirrors, power door locks, air conditioning, front-wheel drive, traction control, cruise control, driver and passenger side airbag, 4-wheel anti-lock brakes, and rear head airbag, driven with care for 40,339 miles, makes this Sonata an easy choice for you.
We are so sure you will love our internet sales process and this quality pre-owned car. Email or call us today.